Hey guys, it's RIKKIN Panchal, and just today we're going to show you guys how to make a soldering iron with a lighter at home. First thing we need is a lighter, a loop of a wire, and some stationary items. Now guys, let's get started. And now, first we're going to do is, we are going to attach the tape to the middle part of the lighter like this. So that the lighter do not get burned. Now guys, just connect the loop of wire on the lighter slowly like this. Now first we guys going to give a turn on this, so it basically get fixed very good. And then we will do like this. And now again we guys going to have another turn, something like this, and then once more. And now make it straight for the shouldering, something like this. Now guys, let's take one more layer of the tape here like this. So now guys, your shouldering iron is ready, and now guys, it is time for the truth. So guys, you have seen the drop of the shouldering, and now guys, you can do the shouldering on any of your electric appliances. Hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment for more.